गोय सरकार शिक्षण क्षेत्रांत कितले जागृत आसा हे शिक्षण खात्यान काडिल्ले शिक्षक भरतीची जायरात पळयल्यार कळटलें. हे सरकार गोंयच्या बऱ्या खातीर आसा काय गोंयची वाट लावपा खातीर आसा असो प्रश्न पडटा. शिक्षक भरती करपा खातीर पयलींच आपणाक जाय ताची निवडणूक केल्या, मात लोकांक दाखोवपा खातीर जायरात काडल्या, तातूंतय गोंधळ केला आनी शिक्षण खात्याक जाप विचारतलो जाल्यार शिक्षक संचालक सुटयेचेर आसा. संचालकाचो तात्पुरतो ताबो दिला तोय सुटयेचेर गेला अशें काँग्रेसीचो आग्नेल फेर्नांडीस म्हणटा.
There is one advertisement come for post of teachers, Marathi primary teachers. The qualification here they say SSC with D.Ed. Down it is saying HSSC plus B.Ed also. So who are you going to take, B.Ed or D.Ed? If B.Ed has applied, already they have selected their candidates. Candidates have been selected. The department director of education is gone on leave for 15 days. The charge has been given to somebody else, another director of technical education, who is also on leave. And I believe that somebody who is to be a primary teacher, he is controlling the whole education department. This is pure saffronization of the education department and harassment to the minority institutes. Lot of complaints are coming that minority institutions are being harassed. The Congress party is not going to keep quiet for this, and we warn the officers who are harassing this minority institution. They will be behind the bars if they just listen to their masters and do whatever and harass the minorities in the state of Goa.
सायबरेज येवजणेंत व्हडलो भ्रश्टाचार जाला. कितलेशेच कंप्युटर मोडल्यात, सारके करपा खातीर दिल्ल्या भुरग्यांचे सारके करून दिनात असो आरोप आग्नेल फेर्नांडीसान केला.
Cybereज scheme पळय जाल्यार there is a fraud in that. Computers are all breaking down. Cybereज scheme in the computers दिले ते where is the accountability? Some head should roll or the minister should resign from that. 200-300 computers तिका repairing दिले and there is a load, they are not getting the computers back.